Tistih nekaj malih kvadratnih centimetrov, ki nas med vožnjo ohranjajo v stiku s cesto, ima seveda močan vpliv na samo delovanje avtomobila. Lahko recimo odločno pripomorejo k tišji in tudi bolj energetsko učinkoviti vožnji. Ekstremen in seveda močno futurističen primer je recimo Lexusov električni koncept LF30, pri katerem so avto razvijali povsem povezano z Goodyearovimi pneumatikami.
You have a hole in the bumper which absorbs the cool air, and we design a pattern in a way that it pushes the cool air towards the motor, which is located behind each wheel, and then after the motor the hot air is extracted towards the rims.
Poleg termodinamičnih koristih pa je tu še bolj fascinantno stišanje gum.
At the edge of the fins we have put kind of velvet, so it's like a textile. Why it is? It's to absorb the noise. It's normally when air comes to a smooth surface, you have a reflection, noise, exactly. Here it works like an acoustic wall, basically. It absorbs the noise waves to reduce the noise of the impact. In principle, nature is using this. You know, these birds have at the leading edge, they have hairs, and it's the same principle. So it's like biomimicry. We inspire by nature to solve solution in our industry.
Posnemanje narave v tehniki je sicer nekaj, kar pri Goodyearu redno počnejo.
In nature you have these brain corals in oceans, and they need these different shapes in all directions because they get nutrition through the water, and we needed a grip in all directions. So basically we were looking at this inspiration to say, well, in this case, in 360 degrees, we would have the performance required.
Tako imenovano bioniko pa smo nazadnje zasledili tudi v Mercedesovem konceptu, ki bo nastopal v novem Avatarju. Filmski Mercedes bo namreč imel poleg organskih baterij tudi 33 vse smeri pomičnih želvjih krilc, po vrhu pa se bo lahko premikal po strani, kot rakovica. Omenjenega Lexusa smo sicer pobliže spoznali na dogodku, ki je pokazal, v katero smer bo šla Toyota kot družba. Pa veste, kateri je bil prvi samovozeči avto? No, mi smo sedli van. Iz Goodyearovega laboratorija v Luksemburgu pa prihaja tudi živa guma, ki fotosintetizira. Spoznajte jo.